And finally, let's wrap up the lecture. In today's lecture, we have learned how to solve separable differential equations, where the right-hand side is the product of two expressions. One is a function of t, and the other one is a function of just y. Well, to solve it, we, as the name suggests, we separate variables. So everything with the dependent variable goes to the left-hand side. Everything with the independent variable goes to the right-hand side. And then we integrate whatever we get, and we don't forget about the plus constant. And then if we are supposed to just solve the differential equation, then that's it. We just need to solve for y. And if we're supposed to find an initial value problem to solve for an initial condition, then it is at this time, so right after integrating, that we find the value of the constant, and then solve for y. Okay. Well, now a linear differential equation is of this form. So basically, it means that it is linear in y. Okay, so y is a linear term. It's not squared. It's not cosine of y or anything. Then linear differential equations are solved by multiplying them with an integrating factor. And then we just integrate. So basically, the rest is pretty simple and straightforward. So that's it. Now, after today's lecture, you're supposed to know how to solve separable differential equations. You are supposed to know how to solve linear differential equations. And you also need to distinguish special classes of separable differential equations from its direction field. So namely, when the right-hand side is a function of just t, or when the right-hand side is a function of just y, you need to be able to recognize it from the direction field.